All right, Natalia Carson, 3.5 years old, August 2012. She's going to write her name for us. She's been writing it for the last month or so. Oh, you need a chair? Put this down here.
T-A-O-Y-A.
Very good. Natalia, is it you? Very good. A little like hieroglyphics. You gotta work on the thing for the A. It has to be attached to the circle. Remember, they touch. It goes right there like that. That's pretty good though. That's pretty good for 3.5. You got a lot of letters in your name, don't you?
Mommy, now can be now. Now